Hi everyone, I will show you today how to update ENC charts on FMD 3000 Ecdis. So I have a pen drive with the AVC updates. This was I taken from my planning station. So this included the week number 7 AVC updates. So I will show you how to update ENC charts with my FMD 3000 Ecdis. So this is my FMD 3000 Ecdis. You can see displays like that. We will go closer. This is my anchor position. My vessel is anchored here. We are on navigation mode now. This is navigation mode display. First of all, we will insert the pen drive. You can see I was installed pen drive here. If you used a DVD drive, you can install DVD drive also here. Different machines have different positions, but normally in the keyboard. So first of all, we will go to the chart mode. Click on chart mode. Okay, you can see chart mode on this display. These tabs also like that. Then you go to the directly. We are going to AVCS update to the AVCS. So directly auto import. Receiving this is a message box. So we can give OK. Now showing valid media not found, but no problem, you can select. Okay, now showing USB flash. Then select. Now give OK. Now showing here message ENC base media GB base 24 week 07. This media contain 38 charts, 37 which are already installed. One chart also, and other updates also showing. So we will give OK. Now installing, you can see. Now just wait for the installing. This message is showing some charts are cancelled and removed from the system. One chart update. So we confirm this one. Now you can show the details of updating details. Here is showing ENC base media GB base 24 week 07 is updated. These information going to the update log. So we can finish here. Now you can see how is updated. We can go manage charts. Just wait. This here showing green color. These are the update charts. I have 39 cells, so these all are updated, and also this AIO update also updated. This showing the color legend. Chart is up to date, is green color, permit expired. Yellow color, chart is not up to date, permit available, chart not installed, permit not available, chart is state is unknown. Likewise, these all colors we can see here. If you want to check how is your present voyage chart is up to date, you can select from here. So here showing Soha Port to Fujairah. This is my last voyage, so I was given apply. Now you can see all charts are updated. This green color showing. That's how we update ENC charts. So I will show you update log also. Here going log, update log. ENC. Now this is the update log. This is the update log, so you can check new updates. Likewise, here is showing some charts completely removed because of this is expired charts, and here showing update GB product list of GB base 24 weeks 07. That is the last update which we are given now. That is the update log. We can show this one on WhatsApp or any inspector. Okay friends, so we will stop today. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe the channel. See you soon with new video.